Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the DIY table lamp model. So let me show you the final model first, and in the entire video you will be seeing how it is made. This is not an easy one, guys. This was slightly difficult, but you'll be able to make it if you want to. So let me show it to you first. It's over here down. This is the DIY lamp. There's the wire which we connect to the power source, and let me open this. This is the smart bulb which you already know. I have used the same smart bulb and I have made another lamp top like this. It's another video on my channel, so go ahead and take a look. I'll leave the link in the description below. And let me keep this aside now. This is the same thing. I haven't made it again, but the older one got torn off and it was old, so I made this new one. This is the new top for the lamp, and this is entirely made up of ice cream sticks. So there are like approximately maybe I don't know, actually I haven't counted, 500-600 ice cream sticks which I had placed. If you can see, this is the base layer, this is the top layer. It has multiple parts. So I made this first base top, this one second, and then these sides are also thick, like they are double layered. If you see, if it's visible, yeah, these are double layered. So, and then I have sticked all of them like this, and this entire and at the top there is a zigzag pattern like this, and at the bottom it's open so that I can place it on the light. So this is how it looks. So go ahead guys, watch the entire video on how it is made, and the final night lamp looks really beautiful. I use it as my daily night lamp every day. Alright guys, so for this popsicles or ice cream sticks table lamp model, of course we'll need lots and lots of ice cream sticks. You can get it in one of the stationery stores. You need some Fevicol, or a glue gun will also work if you have one, and some scissors and cutter. Cutter is not needed mostly, but yeah, we'll have it. We'll use it whenever it's needed, wherever it's needed. So let's begin. So first, let's keep all this aside, and let's take 4 of them. 1, 2. Let's take the good ones. 3, 4. Yeah. Let's keep all of this aside. So first, you need to, this is bent, so let me take another one. These popsicles will not be of exact same size and all, because it's generally get it in store in this fashion only. So get it in bulk so that you won't fall short of it. Otherwise you will again have to rush to the stationery for again one set if you fall short. So like this, we'll keep a slight margin over here and over here. Maybe you can just reduce the margin, because the table lamp which I am putting, I hope you guys have seen my earlier video of table lamp, and it works with Google Assistant. That was a smart bulb actually. So I'll keep it in this fashion, so that, let me show it to you actually. I have it here. So this is the bulb which I have. This is a smart bulb actually. It has all RGB colors, and it can work with Google Assistant or Alexa. So this is big light. Generally lights are not this big, so it should fit in between like this. So that's why if I see it cut to cut, it's fitting. So I'll use this margin and glue it from all the sides. So let me glue it and I'll get back. So here, as you can see, I've sticked it and made a square like this. It takes some time to stick, that's why I'm not moving it. I've sticked it properly, and like this you have to make such 10 squares in the exact similar fashion. Like these are above and these two are like horizontal lines are above, vertical lines are below. Like this you have to make 10 such squares, so that we can keep one after the other, so that we can make a base, like a pile up base, so that we can put wire and all properly, because the socket and wire consume some space, right? So for that you will make the thickness of the base till this much, approx 10 like this, and we'll keep 10 on the top as well. So total we need such 20 squares. So make 10 squares and stick it together, make 10 more squares and stick it together, and I'll make them now one by one, and I'll show you the final full set of that squares. So I'll get back. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. As you can see, 10 rows like this. It's fine even if it's 11 or 12, but this much thickness is fine. So this is how it looks. You actually to make it stick properly, I had to put a pressure on this, so I had kept some books on this structure once the sticking is done, and after some time it got dried up, and it is now it is strong and durable. So this is how it looks finally, as you can see. And now this is the base, right? Similarly, as I said, we need to make another structure same like this for the top. So I have already made it. Let me show it to you. This is how it looks, and at the top I've just added like a crisscross thing. That's it. So this is how it looks. So this will be the top. So our lamp will look something like this actually. This will be the top, this will be the bottom like this, and there is one structure here. So for that structure you need 4 walls. So 1, 2, 3 and that side 4th, and it is double the size of ice cream sticks. So for example, you can assume the wall to be of this much size, double, like this. So it's a long lamp, you can consider it like this actually, this much. So we need to make such 4 structures now, and we need to make it thicker so that we can stick on this platform, or this ice cream stick. Based on the thickness we can say. So if I consider, suppose, let me just show it to you, a sample. Oh, these are tight. 1 minute. Yep. So if you see, if I club these 3 ice cream sticks, suppose 3 or 4 ice cream sticks, then it is easy for me to stick on this in this fashion. And if I have only one ice cream stick, I can't stick it, it will fall apart. There won't be any strength to this. So we'll have a thick frame like this so that we can stick it here, and similarly on the 4 sides. So next I'll tell you how to make the frame. So let me keep these 2 structures aside. Guys, one more thing, this will take a lot of time because sticking these will take a lot of time, plus these take a lot of time to actually dry up and stay intact. So it's a lot of patience work. So if you want to start with this, consider that part as well. So for if you check this is the ice cream stick. I have cut from 2 sides like this. So we need 6 such cuts. See, I have made it already. These are 5 and 6. Yeah. So let me keep this aside. So these are the 6. So all you need to do is, we need to stick it like this. We need to make a rectangle over here like this, and then another rectangle like this, another part of the rectangle like this. And for here in the middle, we'll add this one stick here and one stick here like this. So this is our frame, and now the thickness of the frame is not that much, so we'll add one more layer to it. Exact same 6 sticks, we'll add one more layer to it like this, and then in between those 2 layers, so we'll add the same layer on the back side, and in between these 2 layers we'll have sticks in this fashion like this, so that we can get a pattern like this. You can put 5 or you can put 3 as per your choice. I feel 4 doesn't look good, 3 looks good. So but if you start from here, like from the top, maybe even 4 will look good like this. You can have some space, you can reduce the spacing also as per your wish. The design goes as per your wish. Like this, you can keep 5 sticks as well like this. So overall this is not this is not looking good, I know, but when you stick it properly and you make a thick proper wall kind of thing with this type of structure, it will look really pretty. So let me make this stick everything and I'll show it to you. It's a cumbersome job actually, guys, so do it with patience and you'll get a very good final result. So I'll be back once I stick this. Alright guys, so this is the final structure as I've showed it to you. 3-layer structure. Here as you can see there are 3 sticks at the top, and these are the lines, the sticks where I have pasted it diagonally like this. And the last time I mentioned 5, but these are equidistant and these 4 were looking good, so I stopped at 4. And this is one side. Similarly you need to create 4 such sides. Let me show it to you. So here as you can see I have already created 4 such sides. This is how it looks, and this was the older top of the lamp and this is the bottom of the lamp. So at the end all you need to do is now stick these 4 like this on the 4 sides and then put this on top and stick it. And once you have the entire structure, we'll decorate it slightly, or we'll do the masking of the corners. Like here we'll put some more ice cream sticks, and on the corners we'll mask it up. On the top if needed we'll mask it up. On the bottom here to support, to withstand the plug, the holder of the bulb, here we can put 2 like this, 2 like this, so that in the center there is a proper section or a proper square or a proper box, so that the holder stays intact. So similar things we can do. And so let me add all this, let me join all this, basically glue it very carefully guys, because even if the thickness is now 3 sticks, sticking on this and then staying intact on all the 4 corners is very difficult actually. So take your time to stick it properly and then I'll show you the final model. So guys, after sticking all the 3 parts, the upper part, all the 4 sides as you can see, and the bottom part, this is how it looks. Finally, it's not neat and tidy, I know, but it looks elegant. And you can increase or decrease the width with this, because I already have the base. This is my old lamp structure, so I already have the base. So maybe you can even increase this much or even more, or you can even double this part over here so that your lamp grows even more in height. So let me do one thing actually. Let me put it like this. So this is how it looks. Let me just put it here. Yeah, let me tilt it actually. All right, this is how it looks. And if I turn on the light, as you can see, there is a purple light. There is a smart light which I have, so let me focus. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it looks. The ambient lighting is very nice, and overall this is a really good popsicles table lamp model. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the lamp. It is very useful, and it is made up of ice cream sticks, which you can get it on any local stationery shop, and you can easily make it. You just need ice cream sticks, you need some scissors, and you need glue to stick all of them. That's it. And this is very useful as a night lamp. You can use it as a night lamp, you can use it as a decor at your table or at your bedside table, etc, etc. You can do all sorts of things. And this is one type of top up. Let me again show it to you. I have it here. This is one type of top up. So you can, this is one design basically, is what I mean to say. This is one design. You can make multiple such designs. If you eventually go on YouTube, there are multiple such designs. This is one which I made uniquely, which I liked, and I made it. But there are some easy ones, there are some very difficult ones. This falls in slightly above easy and lower to mediocre difficulty level. So this is very easy to make, basically, in my opinion. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned until next video, and I'll be back with new content, new devices, new lamps, new electronics, new. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.